Honor, the ball is in your court. Set the ball rolling.
My prince. Of course, my prince. Without delay, you see results. The good news you gave me is the happiest thing I have had a long while. The spirit of your father will be so joyous in the land of the ancestors.
I know. But, Honor, I wish to ask for a favor.
Go ahead. Go ahead, my prince.
I really do not want this coronation to be a very big one. I want it to be as modest as it can be. I don't know how you're going to do it, but you have to do it for me.
My prince, this is a difficult one. As a matter of fact, it's impossible. The moment our people and the ancestors celebrate together, it's not within our powers.
How do you mean by people and ancestors celebrating together? Is it some sort of fetish or ritual or something?
My prince, our tradition is our identity, and we are nothing without our tradition. Our way of life is not fetish. Strangers created that language to destroy our might and unity.
Whatever it is, however it is, please, I do not want it big. I want it little and packaged.
My prince, we will do what we must and avoid the avoidable. Yes.
But now where this your boy can't dey now? People they wait for me for shop. I don't they wait since.
Honestly, I don't know why he's delaying. He's usually punctual.
I don't think I have.
Hey, senior man.
Yeah,
I must be to boss. Must be to sir. Fine, thank you, sir.
What's that?
I beg. Now you say we dey wait for again. Who him be?
He's my boy. My personal photographer and errand boy.
Your boy, I be your guy.
My boy.
Ha! Now the person who kidnap me be this now. Wait tell me say I too they talk too much. Can't give me bread and drink. Now be this now. All of them who kidnap me they reach plenty. Now in short pass. Now in the fear pass. No be Dracula. I say as I did that, hear Dracula, I say blood in his mouth. The day where you open his face, no blood for his mouth. Now be this now. Ha!
Did you hear what she said? Is that true?
If you're killing me for waiting, useless man. Come on, move.
How was your day?
Awesome. And you?
Fine. Well, you're back on time because food just got served.
Oh wow. I perceived it from my walk and let's go now. Let's go do justice to it.
Not before I give you the good news.
Honey, would you believe it was Joy that kidnapped my elder sister?
Your own Joy!
How did you get to find out?
Favor called me and told me that both Joy and all her accomplices have been arrested.
Wow. This is really difficult to process right now, you know, like...
Process it though. It's the truth.
Wow. At least we can rest from all of our pestering and disturbance and live our life the way we ought to live our life. You know?
Exactly. Which is why I prepared your favorite meal. Because she is going to rot in jail.
She ought to.
And they will hang her soon.
Definitely. Definitely. And
yes.
This actually calls for celebration.
Yes.
Oh my god. You're doing it. I think I want to eat this first.
If not, Papa, when they put you up, I go disfigure of him and say, you're not going to know the value of life again.
You're just a joker. And I'm sure you know where this will lead you to for threat of life. And I will ensure to that. How dare you? You're the one who wronged me and here you are threatening me. You haven't seen the end of this. You will hear from us.
You still hear about Abi? I go disfigure of him and say,
you're just a loser. You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. You're worthless. You cannot do anything. You're just a loser.
Me worthless?
Hey!
Are you okay?
Oh, yes, I'm fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm okay. Thank you.
Alright. What would a pretty, intelligent, well-to-do lady of your caliber end up in the arms of that classless brute?
He's not my boyfriend. Oh, well, he was. Not anymore.
Oh, you guys broke up. That's probably the reason for the fight.
No. We broke up a long time ago. That was like 5 years ago.
5 years ago? And what in God's name brought you guys together again?
Well, that was way before I traveled up. Yes, this way. Way before I traveled for my master's. I only just got back not long ago, and he said he wanted us to meet. Well, he said he wasn't going to let me leave him and all those nonsense because he heard I was going to get married to a white man. I tried to let him understand that he was the one who jilted me for my friend Olivia. And there he was saying that I wasn't going to leave him alone. He flared up and started behaving like a mad dog until he came.
That guy seems to be on drugs. You have to do something because he might carry out his threats.
Oh well, as soon as I get home, I'm going to tell my dad and he'll call the DPO and they will incident this case. And he's not going to go scot-free, not at all.
You just have to. Just have to. So which way
Just keep straight on and then make a left turn. Thank you for coming. Sorry, what's your name?
My name is Fred.
I'm Violet.
Welcome to my home.
Quite a lovely place this is. Your father seems to have eyes for class and beauty.
He sure does. I mean, he lived abroad for a while, so it's expected.
Wow. I wish he's around. At least let me meet him. I'm still a job seeker.
Oh, really?
Yes, I am.
I'm sure he'll do something about it. He should be in. Let's go in. Let me even entertain.
Oh, my sweetheart, we're in the part of...
Mr. Greg? You still alive? Huh? Mr. Greg, you are evil! You are a wicked soul! For years you made away with my sweat! Wait, is he your dad?
Yes, this is my dad.
Come here.
Oh no, come, no, you can't go.
Viola, just...
A while ago. Come on. This young man is a good man.
Viola, please calm down. The young man has every right to react the way he's doing right now. Please, Fred, let's go in and talk. Things are not the way they seem.
How are they and how do they seem? I'm asking you. For years you made away with my sweat, my hard-earned money.
Let's go inside and sort this out. Or would you rather we go about it the shouting way? What's the matter with you?
Shouting. David, you stop shouting. And please tell me what he said is not true.
Okay.
You know your dad is not an evil man. If you can recall, I've always told you that there is this young man I am indebted to and wish to see him one day. Because I lost his contact. That is him. Fred, my boy.
Oh my word. Mr. Fred. Please. Everything is going to be sorted out. You have to calm down. You have to calm down. My dad has talked about this always. Always.
Wage, Obitagi Mili.
No, calm down.
What is the problem?
It's just a minor misunderstanding. Can you greet our August visitor?
Welcome, bros. Good evening.
Please, let's go inside. Mr. Fred, please calm down. My dad has talked about you, like he talks about you every now and then. Let's go inside, we'll get things sorted out. Please, calm. Calm.
Do you know all I have been through? The humiliation, the aspersion cast on me. My mother died out of frustration and shame. Our son gambled away all his money and returned to the village empty-handed.
I'm sorry, and I wish it never happened. My dad has not given me the details of this transaction, but he kept giving a regret about the way things went. And he kept talking about the certain young man he wishes to see before he dies.
Father hurts me. He really hurts me dearly. And if he does have conscience, that conscience will torment him forever. Even the devil cannot survive the guilt of what your father did to me.
Now both of you are really tormenting me for all I can take. Can you please mention what actually happened?
I am not telling you anything. He should be the one telling you because he's the sole proprietor of the game and misfortune. And maybe fortune.
For goodness sake, can you just mention it? What happened? See, look, you're a good man. And I take our meeting to be an act of God. Both for saving me and for reconnecting you to your past that has so tormented you because of your loss.
Sincerely, I am not telling you anything. I am not going to tell you anything. After all, I can fight him. I can't fight your father. I can't do anything to him. And if he chooses to fight me with my wealth, then I've already moved on with my life. I started my new life. Last, everybody will be alright. Everybody will be fine.
Come on, you don't need to sound this way. You don't. Chill. See, my dad is set records straight. He's going to get you sorted. At the end of the day, last, you'll be alright. Okay?
Just keep paying.
Please don't go for my sake.
Be fine.
Just chill.
This is not the hero of a dad I know. What breaks the bone of the almighty lion? Tell me that, let me get it fixed.
Angela, it's not anything that you can handle. The moth that eats the bean is in the bin.
She? But you can't bring beans for this matter now. Palesi, they never born that person where. I go make my pale dey rumple face like this and you see I no go fit handle am. Ha! Who they be? Cherry, I been another August visitor. Make I go treat him, fuck up.
On the contrary, Angela, I was the one who offended that young man greatly, and I regret every bit of my action. I'm not proud of that aspect of my past. Fred is a good man. He was my most trusted ally. Yes.
Yeah, he's a very cute guy. See his coughs.
Do you know that you can be mischievous most times? We are here discussing something of great importance, and all your mind could rest on is the coughs of that young man.
He no good. He no good. As I come out for this your frowning mood, he no good. He no sweet you, pale. See, I understand you, eh? I understand you more than everybody in this house. Even when mom was alive, she don't know you as much as I do. But all the same, child. That guy is a cute guy, oh!
Angela.
Rose, good evening once more. My sister said that she invites you to the dining. Dinner is ready.
I'll be down soon.
Bros, this one no fit you. You no enter at all. You too fine to the front like this.
Well, there is no smoke without fire. Something led to it.
No matter what it may be, you're too sweet to squeeze your face like this now. Since I see you, even when sweet babe like me show up, if I at least from smiling, make up for the feel your swag now. Cheer up. When there is life, there is hope. Especially with a sweet babe like me by your side.
Very funny. Tell her that I'm coming down.
Nine. I'm not going without Prince Charming. So.
After you.
feel bad about the way the young man is reacting. Though, I don't blame him, given the situation of things. If I sought him out myself, maybe he may not be feeling this way. I'm grieved that the way the things are playing out is looking as if I am fraudulent, which I'm not.
Daddy, no one sees you that way.
He does. He called me names, you heard it.
But you rightly said that anyone in his situation would react the same way. I truly commend the young man's maturity. Some other person would have flared up and opted for a court case. What is this masquerade of a matter that none of you want to mention?
It's heavy to mention. But all I will tell you is that his money is intact, complete with the interest that it has accrued. Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Daddy, I really want to thank you for being a man of integrity. Daddy, thank you for being the good man that you are. From all that the young man told me, he's gone through a lot. So hearing this will heal his wounds. He was asking if you were going to give him a job just right before you came out and you guys met yourselves.
I'm sorry for what my action made him pass through. I know it made him pass through such hardship, but trust me, I will make it up to you.
I trust you, Daddy. Thank you. I'm proud to be your daughter.
Well, I think I need peaches and cream. That's all I need now.
Daddy, let me go and call Angela for you.
When it comes to what I need, you call Angela. What's the matter with you? I kept mute because all along I have been mourning over the events that transpired of the money. You have every right to react the way you feel. Recall that the money was paid into my domiciliary account 3 days to my departure to China. I was in China when I was alerted that there is a petition raised against me over money laundering. The Chinese government was communicated. Before I could counter the claim, I was already jailed in China.
You went to jail, Dad?
I know you are surprised that my family is not aware of this. There was no how to reach anyone. Trust Chinese government. My phone was destroyed. That was probably when the rumor sprang that I was dead. To cut the long story short, it took an American human rights lawyer to get my files transferred to the US because the lottery company that he won is domiciled in the US. When I came out, I was in search of you, but to no avail because the telephone number you used was my office line.
I didn't know all these things happened to you.
That is why I said you should relax. The things are not actually the way they seem. Yes.
Dad, you went to jail in US too.
Yes. I was actually discharged and acquitted after it was discovered that there was no such case as money laundering and the lottery certificate discovered. It was also found out that it was my competitor Yetunde Balogo that was behind everything. That was why he was arrested and jailed till today. When I came back, I searched for you to no avail. What happened to your shop, Fred?
I sold everything to pay debt and returned to the village. The shame was much on me.
You jetson again? You lack the capacity to withstand pressure, which is what I've been trying to inculcate in you. You keep running away from battlefield like a chicken-headed. It's not too good for a man. Know what I mean?
So, at this point, who apologizes to who?
I move a motion for everyone to go to sleep so that the apology reigns will commence tomorrow.
Okay, so where are you guys now? Okay, I will be there now. Please, you guys should just wait for me. I'm coming. Uche now. Now. You guys should wait for me. I'm coming. I'm coming now. Please, just give me some more time.
Good morning, Fred.
Good morning, there. How was your night?
My night was okay. Why do you have your bag?
Ready to hit the road. Hustling continues.
Why are you so cowardly? This was the exact thing Daddy said last night, and here you are confirming it. Where are you going to hustle? Why do you love hardship?
So what do you expect me to do right now? If you were in my shoes, what would you have done? You heard your father last night and everything he has gone through because of the said money. There was no mention of the whereabouts of the money. That is to say the money is gone. It's gone. So let me go and hustle. Let me just go and hustle.
Mr. Fred, you're just a jolly good fellow. But you have a lot of learning to do in life. There's more to life than just being nice. So, what do you want to go off to now? You want to just go off and begin to feel self-pity for yourself like life is so unfair? When all you have to do is stand up to life, face it squarely, just like you faced Lucas yesterday when you saved me.
But why is life so unfair to me? After I've moved on and my hope was raised and dashed again. Why is everything happening to me like this? Eh?
You are the one who is unfair to yourself and nature. Well, if you must know, the money is intact and has multiple interests accrued to it. That is, if your anxiety will allow you be patient enough to actually enjoy it.
Sorry. Did you say that the money is intact?
The money is in the bush.
How are you? Hope you slept well. I've told you to go and marry a young girl that will take care of you.
Angela, stop speaking this your favorite sermon. I've told you before to stop speaking this your Indomie age English. Can't you and your sister take care of me?
We can, no. We can only do the one we can. But the emotional one, the one that will extend your lifespan. So, and I won't allow you to marry an old woman. And at the same time, I cannot call a young girl a stepmom. I can only call her step auntie.
Angela, where is your sister and Fred? Go call them quickly.
Sis is in her room. What bros Fred?
Oh, Fred, go get dressed real fast. We are going to the bank. Before 10 a.m., everything written in the documents will be changed to your name.
Sis, what happened this morning? Why do you lock yourself inside your room? What offended you?
Nobody offended me. I just needed to be alone.
Or was it because of what we were talking last night? If you want him, you can have him. No man can come between us.
Don't come off that, please. I don't have anything going for him. As a matter of fact, if you have feelings for Fred, you can go ahead. You see me? I'll support you with my full chest. But before you begin to build affections, better be sure he feels the same way for you too, to avoid heartbreaks.
Come on, sis. This heart is unbreakable. They never bond that man well. But sis, that dude is cute too, isn't he?
Angela. Enjoy your cruise, I beg you. But please, don't go building castles in the air. Where are they?
I went to the bank for Dad to transfer his money to him.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. You see, Daddy is the best daddy in the world. He's a man of integrity and pedigree. I'm so glad that he is my father.
Yeah, so who knows how much that money is safe?
It doesn't matter. Even if it's a penny. As long as it belongs to another. My dear, oh ye no man. You hear me? Yeah. I've been trying this with ab work. It's not working though. It's not working.
Go to the gym and leave this house thing. Get back to you.
I don't even know what to do again.
Do you know why I parked?
No.
I have been watching you from the mirror.
Really?
Yes. And do you know you're fun to be with?
Do you just mean what you just said to me, or you want to massage my ego?
Yes, I'm serious, and why would I massage your ego? How many rich men's kid will be as humorous as you are? Also down to earth.
I'm surprised you're the first person that have ever said this to me before.
Some are not expressive as I am, but that doesn't mean they don't see or appreciate it.
Thank you so much. I love expressive people.
Me too. I love expressive people that are down to earth, also humorous.
Does that mean you love me? Because I'm really burning for you.
Well, not in that context of love.
In what context then?
Because of a position, you just play wickedness. Wanna for because of a position, you just play wickedness. Wanna for tell me, remember tomorrow day. If only no Yalo takwechi, echi. I'm weary for Mary, man. I follow your fubanya. Ochirafu Guamancha. Manomi for Mary Faje, Megidea. I'm wearing for Mary Ha. And I fall on your Fubanya. Ochirafu Guamancha. Manomi for Mary Faje, Megidea. I'm wearing for Mary Ha. And I fall on your Fubanya. Ochirafu Guamancha. Manomi for Mary Faje, Megidea. I'm wearing for Mary Ha. And I fall on your Fubanya. Ochirafu Guamancha. Manomi for Mary Faje, Megidea.
It's about.
He wants to propose. Fred wants to propose.
I don't understand. Hold on. When did you guys start dating and you did not tell me?
Technically, we are actually dating. Officially, he has not told me so.
Can you calm down?
Okay.
Calm down.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
When did you guys start dating? You don't tell me.
See, I said technically, we are dating. Officially, he has not told me so. And I think he wants to regularize it with the engagement. Straight up!
Angela, how do you know he wants to propose?
Sis, he bought an engagement ring. He hid it away from me. He did not know I saw it. Even on the receipt straight.
Angela, are you alright? Are you okay? Why would you be counting your eggs, your chicks before they are hatched? What if after this celebration, the ring is for someone else?
Sis, bring that in a bag. See, he might not say it clearly. But his body language has said it all. And surely, he will propose.
Ochirafu Guamancha. Manomi for Mary Faje, Megidea. I'm wearing for Mary Ha. And I fall on your Fubanya. Obi-Wan Mama.
Very wicked. Nemesis will catch up with you. Thunder will strike you if you try to abandon us here again. Oh, if not because of Fred, you would have run away from this village.
Okay, leave my trousers so. I will descend on you. I will bounce on you. You're fond of holding me in the public. I will disfigure your face so. I will disfigure your face. So as for that friend, he thinks he can come back to this village to be intimidating me with bells. Borrowed car. I will treat his fuck up when I'm ready for him. But for now, leave my trousers first.
I should leave your trousers.
Papa, leave me alone.
You are good at empty posts. Yes. Look at Fred. Just 2 weeks he left the village. He's back with a car. Yes, he is back with a car. And you're here saying nonsense. Not jealousy they do you.
Me, jealous. Jealous of somebody that borrowed a car. Okay. See, that car is a borrowed car. If he even manages to own that car, that means he borrowed it. Or he stole it. Or he did Yahoo Plus. Is that what you want me to go and do? I can't soil my hands.
What is going on?
Can you imagine?
Why are you dragging my baby?
Why are you dragging somebody's baby? You're dragging somebody's baby.
Look at who had the baby. Oh, wait, see. Let me help your daft brain. Your so-called baby here was actually sneaking out of the village. Sneaky.
See what?
I'm not done talking. Keep quiet. Before your brother Fred caught him and chased him back with his car. Wait. My brother Fred. Hey, with his car. Don't you come over. Mary! You better come and let's fix this, so.
Fix what? You think she's jobless as you are? Leave my trousers, I beg. Leave my trousers now. What's the meaning of this thing now?
I am not daft as she is. If you go okay, if she like, let her run to the house. Me, we die here. You are not going to leave my side. We die here.
Okay. Okay, you are ruining my life.
I'm ruining your life.
As it stands now, it's like I will use you to do some rituals and cover up for normal.
I don't understand how you're carrying on about this issue. Do you want to hurt yourself over someone who has not professed love to you or even talked to you about anything concerning this relationship? Where's your feminine pride, for Christ's sake?
Did I hear you say feminine pride? Did I hear you right? What pride has a lady that cannot have the only thing she cherishes in life? You know, I might be naughty. You know I'm not the love type. This has been me stronger than I can break away from.
This is really big. I still don't understand how and what made you fall headlong onto this one. It's just been few days he's been here with us.
Law of attraction. In physics, opposite attract. In relationship, likes attract. You know I'm a sweet soul. And Fred is also a sweet soul. I think that is why he's the only person that understands my true nature.
Don't say that, Angela. We know you're a sweet soul. That we don't inundate you with it does not mean that we don't care or that we don't know.
I have fallen headlong for him. He's the only one that can quench my fire. It has been 3 days he traveled, now I'm burning for him.
This is really serious than I thought. Angela, you don't even know anything about this guy's love life. You don't know if he's in a strong relationship. I will advise that you really take it slow or you make a complete detour at this point.
I don't care if he's married or not. It is him or never.
Angela!
Babe, I don't know how else to say this. This is the third time I'm saying it and you're still adamant.
That's because I'm not interested. And the best thing for you to do is to stop.
I won't take a million no from you.
Then be ready to sacrifice this our friendship on the altar of your ego. Even if I'm interested in doing something with you, not at the speed at which you're going.
Does it mean I have a chance? Tell me, let me switch to slow motion mode and wait for you till you're ready.
I did not say that. I didn't say that. Moreover, have you even asked me if I had feelings for you? Eh? Or don't you know that relationships are built based on affections?
But babe, you of all people know that affection are built overnight. Eh? We can build it.
I can see you are so unrepentant. Okay? Excuse me.
Babe, come on. Eh?
Please go.
Hi. Do you know where we're going to?
No, brother. Tell me.
Okay. I'm taking you to the boutique.
Wow.
Yes. I want to clean you up. Let me get you some clothes. You can be looking this tattered when I'm a billionaire, fat a billionaire. So you can be looking this tattered. And from the boutique, we are going straight to the restaurant. So you can eat some good food. Look at you. Everywhere bone. No flesh. Pigeon. No input. Wow. Don't worry. You're my sister. I'm ready to take care of you now. And as for this pregnancy, I will take full responsibility for it. I will take full responsibility of it. So Mike can no longer have access to you.
Well, thank you very much.
Don't thank me yet. Don't thank me yet. And as for that Mike, I will still deal with him.
I know it is my wish that that young man consider you for marriage. But no daughter of mine should stoop so low to the point of belittling herself over a man. Eh? You should walk with your shoulders high before any man. Before any man to deserve your love, not the opposite.
I'm sorry, Dad. You have not experienced myself in his presence. I just confide in my feelings and sense enough. I'm sorry, Dad.
There's even no need for that. You are not disadvantaged at all.
Dad, the truth is I've known Angela all my life. And she has not shown feelings towards anyone in this manner. I feel she genuinely loves Fred. But my only wish is she would control it. Just in case there's someone else in the picture, and that we cannot say.
Sincerely, Dad. I'm trying to convince myself that I'm over him. The more I try, the bigger the urge. I'm totally confused, Dad.
Why do you do this? See. I support as much as human can to give you the peace of mind that you desire. We'll get at the end of it, okay? It's okay.
And I'm going to do my best to make sure he loves you. That is, if he doesn't already love you. It's okay.
It's okay. Okay. You don't have to keep doing this to yourself. I believe there must be another way out.
A way out? Tell me, what way out?
Your brother is wealthy and he's even supportive. Okay, fine. Few days, he came back. Look at you. You've changed. You've changed a lot. If there's a way my mother will kill me, she would do it because I disgraced her. My brother was worse than that, which was the reason he left the village. I met who traveled out with his money for over 7 years now. And the man was kind enough to pay him back. That's nice. I thank God for him. I do. He even said if I have not disgraced him, he may not have seen the man in this life again. So he claims I'm the reason he's rich now. So as things changed, he changed. So come on, your mother will change. Mary, you're so lucky. You're so lucky. Look at me. Nobody's owing my mother. I'll be left alone with that good-for-nothing scammer. Maybe this guy has ruined my life. He has ruined me. Your life is not ruined. You have God. And believe me, everything happens for a purpose. Trust me, everything will be fine. I think so. It will be fine. I think so. You think everything will be fine? I don't have anybody to help me. I don't have anybody to help me, and you say everything will be fine. I so much hate that guy too. This 20,000 naira. I believe it will go a long way. And make sure you hide it out from Mike. Thank you so much, Mary. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's okay, just wipe your tears. Come here. Okay.
My daughter, I called you here because there are certain things I need to talk to you about. I love you so much, and I am glad my son loves you greatly. But the orientation in this palace in something you must imbibe. Class is one of them.
My queen, what if I told you that what we call class is just an elusive psychological contortion that puts undue pressure on the human race? That's what it is.
Did you just speak that impeccable grammar?
Yes, I did. And I'm honestly not as classless as you think. I mean, I chose to represent myself this way as a reaction to life itself, hoping to get somebody who accept me for who I am or like accept me for the stuffs I like. Because last, my queen, life, balance.
Wow! This is unbelievable. Oh! My dear, what do you mean by this life no balance?
Oh my goodness, my queen, please can we discuss this perhaps another day when we have like spare time? But for the records, I'd like you to know I was one of the best mechanical engineering students in my class.
See that again?
Honestly, I did drop out because my parents died, but I did great. Besides, level no level, so I just chose to live life the way I saw it, We'll drag until we see who will win. Why are you looking like that?
I am completely paralyzed.
Oh, please don't be.
You are an embodiment of virtue.
Oh my God. Don't look like that. Bros, now wait down. Don't look like that. Now wait. I'm begging about cream. Not do Ramadan day. I feel like my Africa, my hand not too much black.
Sister Monica. Honestly, I wish Mom and Dad were still alive to witness this.
It's too they worry. Mommy and Dad, they look us. They're not there yet. But you there here and pay for day here. I better they sweet me. Plus say you don't change. You need to give me one again. So I happy. Let me happy pass yourself. You can't people, you don't call them.
Yes.
You get drunk, that woman they close well.
No. I'm following her up.
Why they cry? The only person who will give me wahala and I'm be the makeup girl.
No. She'll come.
In your eye, no cry.
Let me get you water.
Okay.
Oh, my son, come here. Oh, yeah. Congratulations, my son.
Very nice.
And my beautiful queen. Oh, come here, darling. Congratulations. Oh,
very good.
My angel.
Lala. Very good.
My beautiful queen.
Very nice. Very nice.
Congratulations, my darling.
Again, Igwe! The syrup was not pure, just a day. Remember, say, a patient dog, eat the fattest bone. All the good things that you see never come easy. I'm suffering because of mama, my sweet mama, my joy at home. I'm suffering because of mama, my sweet mama, my joy at home. I'm suffering because of mama, my sweet mama, my joy at home.